So this is one of your assessment briefs, and it's suitable for those interested in 3 dimensions, construction, architecture, sculpture, those of you that are creative. You'll need a piece of cardboard which is 40 by 40 centimetres. The card could be an Amazon box, Zero box, whatever card you can find. The reason I've put a picture of a Kellogg's box down there is because that is the box that I'm going to use to try and do this project. Zero box is the consistency of the cardboard is sort of strong but still flexible. You'll find an Amazon box quite different, but that doesn't matter. It's whatever card you have to hand. So you're going to create 2 sheets of card from whatever card you have, and the sheets have to be 40 by 40 centimetres, and that's crucial. The reason it's crucial is because it's a directive. It's part of your assessment. So you need to measure carefully 40 by 40. In your first sheet, you're going to create a 3-dimensional open form using cuts, creases and folds, and you're not allowed any leftovers. So you've got to use every single piece of that 40 by 40. Your second sheet, you're going to create a 3-dimensional closed form using cuts, creases, folds. And for this one, you can use glue or tape, and you're allowed some leftovers, but not much. If you can refer to the PowerPoint where I've talked about open and closed forms separately to this. It'll help you decide what you're going to do with your 2 sheets of card. When you've made your card, the pieces, the final thing you're going to do is you're going to set up your forms, and you're going to photograph them, firstly separately and then together. Then you're going to write a brief statement about their qualities, and you've got to decide whether they relate to each other or they're to be seen as single objects. If you've got time and you want to do more, you might want to draw the sculptures that you've made. So what I'm thinking about here is I'm thinking about where I've got the cardboard from. I hadn't really thought of that before I started this, but the fact that I'm getting the cardboard from a Kellogg's cornflakes packet has made me think that maybe the Kellogg's cornflake packet might influence the shape that I do. So I'm starting to measure the cardboard, and you can see how important it is that I'm getting the right size. You learn a lot when doing things like this. I made a mistake. We'll see the mistake later on. But essentially what happens is that I end up with 2 bits of cardboard that's 40 by 40. But the process is quite interesting. So here I'm just showing you how I've got the 2 bits of card. The most important thing that you've got to get is it's got to be 40 by 40 centimetres, and you need 2 of them, and you're going to make one of them into an open form, and you're going to make one of them into a closed form.